Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read two beautiful stories with two beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A porcupine had selected a comfortable cave for his home, only to find it already occupied by a family of snakes. Would it be agreeable if I used one corner of your cave to spend the winter? He asked. The snakes very generously offered to share their home with the porcupine, and he moved in, curled up in a ball, stuck out all his prickly quills, and settled down for the winter. It was not long, however, before the snakes realized that they had made a mistake. For every time one of them moved, he would prick himself on one of the visitors' quills. After bearing this discomfort for a time, the snakes got up their courage to complain to the porcupine. "That's just too bad," said the guest. "I am most comfortable here. But if you snakes are not satisfied, why don't you move out?" And he curled up once more and resumed his nap. The name of the story: The Porcupine and the Snakes. And the moral: it is safer to know one's guest before offering him hospitality. The second story. Slowly and ponderously over the dusty road, a yoke of oxen were hauling a heavily laden wagon. Each time the wheels turned on their axles, they set up a tremendous creaking. Driven almost frantic by the ear-piercing noise, the driver cried, "Wagon, why do you make all this clamor and complaint when they who are drawing all the weight are silent?" The name of the story: The Creaking Wheels. And the morals: he who cries loudest is often least hurt.